Good morning, Sanerji. Sanerji, Prerna, Sanerji, Govindji. How are you guys?
Good morning. Very well.
Hey Pawan, good.
Morning. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. How was the last week?
Quite good.
Okay.
And it's been a process of knowing myself better. And I've been reflecting on the activities that we have done.
Yeah. Because last week you guys have done activities and understood the various aspects of your life. So I'm
Yes.
sure this could be quite enlightening to you. Okay. So
Yes,
this
it was.
week the course of action starts with understanding and discovering inner DNA. And in the inner DNA, you know, we discover baselines. This might be a new term for you. Baselines are basically the core qualities which form the foundations of our personality. We will talk more about these core qualities which are baselines. But before that, I have a very exciting activity for both of you. And the name of activity is the speech. In this speech activity, you have to think from the perspective of a third person. This third person could be your family member, your work colleague, or your a close friend. You have to think and write that if in a given situation in a party, these three people are there and they have to speak about you, obviously they have to speak good things about you. So you have to think from their perspective and write down good things about you. And this activity you have to do on a A4 size paper. I request both of you to not to restrict yourself. Write down as much as possible and think deeply from the perspective of these three people in your life and write down what they would like to say about you. And they have to say good things about you.
Okay. So, if at all I am not able to write anything about myself, so can I ask a family member or a friend to write about me?
No, no, that is the magic of the activity. No, you have to think, you have to imagine that you are your friend and maybe you are your family member, you are your work colleague, and then from that perspective, from his perspective, from her perspective, you have to write about yourself.
Okay.
Okay, so let's have some 10 to 15 minutes time, complete this activity, we'll meet again.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm sure you might have completed the exercise. You already taken more than 15 minutes. And may I request both of you to share what you have discovered out of this activity. So,
Yes.
can we start with Prerna ji?
So, basically, it was very difficult for me to do this activity because uh, I couldn't know that what good things could be there in me to to write about myself, or like what good things people like friends and family would think I am. So, but yes, I did jot down a few things, and I was surprised that I could at least think of a few things for myself. It's been an interesting but difficult activity to do.
So, if I
Okay.
request you to speak that speech loudly and passionately in front of all of us, so will you please do that?
So I would probably talk on behalf of my mother.
Okay.
And had my mother to say this, then uh, she would say that I am really proud of my daughter Prerna and her achievements. and she is a very positive and a loving person. She is committed and does her best in whatever she takes up in life. She is a strong person who has very deep rooted faith in her spiritual journey, and she she does anything she can do to help others.
Wonderful. Great. Wonderful. Good. So now, may I request Govind, what did you discover about yourself from this activity?
Hey Pawan, so it was I mean, interesting task for me. I never thought like so many things I would know about myself by doing this activity. I was not sure like how much value I'm adding to others, or I was thinking like I was looking myself in a bad limelight. But after doing this activity, I found that I'm really adding value to others. So yes, it was a good experience for me.
Okay. Okay. If I request you to speak that speech loudly and passionately, so would you mind to do that in front of all of us?
Sure, Pawan.
Yeah,
Sure,
please,
Pawan.
please do it.
So it goes something like Govind is very much a knowledgeable person.
Okay.
Like he has a very good knowledge in every area, and he has a good perspective towards things. So anything like he is mostly updated with the things that are going in present life. So he has a perspective where from internet to anything. So it is in those lines. He's also an open-minded person, so he kind of expresses what he has in his mind towards others, and he is frank and open in sense like he also accepts others views if they are having some issues. So he's open-minded, so he's open for help, and he's also resourceful when it comes to professional life. If someone is stuck somewhere and they ask for help, so in that context also he gives his 100%. And he's also fortunate, most fortunate than others. So yes.
Wonderful. Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. So, guys, as you have discovered a few things about yourself from this activity, so it was really an amazing activity. So, thank you so much. Now, as I told you that we will discover the baselines. So, the next session we will talk about the baselines. So, till then, I really thank you for your active participation. And after some time, we'll meet again and talk about that. Till then, relax, chill, and thank you so much.
Thank you.